Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we have the Xiaomi Redmi 4X. This is definitely a budget variant killer smartphone. This device was announced around mid-2017. As usual, Xiaomi is still popular with their great value offer till today. The Redmi 4X is a mid-range smartphone. The Redmi 4X design, it feels very premium and with the aluminum body, and it's actually quite smudgy and slippery without a case. I would suggest you guys to get a case. The design is pretty clean and simple. The Redmi 4X comes with 3 colors: rose gold, gold, and dark grey. The volume up and down are right smack next to your thumb, super easy to access, as well as the power button. The bottom of the Redmi 4X is a standard micro USB 2.0, as well as the loudspeaker grill. The top of the Redmi 4X is the standard audio jack and the IR blaster. On the left side, which is the SIM tray. The SIM tray here is a hybrid SIM tray, which gives you an option of 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM with 1 micro SD card. Let's talk about the battery life. With the Redmi 4X, you can definitely getting the full day use even when gaming. On the other hand, it will still last you a day thanks to the huge 4100 mAh battery. For normal day-to-day use, it will last more than a day or 2 depending on your usage. Now when you pick up your new Redmi 4X, in the box you'll get a 5V 2A USB charger. Sadly, it does not have any fast charging feature, and a micro USB cable and a SIM ejector. Let's get to the display. The Redmi 4X feature a 5-inch 720 by 1280 IPS LCD display. The display of the phone looks amazing and the color that produced looks amazing as well. For this price range, I would say it's not that bad. With the MIUI 9, it gives you the option of split screen, which is really useful till this day, and I would say it's a pretty nice touch to the MIUI 9. Apparently, the Redmi 4X has sensitive touch issue. The issue appears when scrolling down, not just on Facebook, it affects on third-party app as well. And this issue has not been fixed since the latest update. Honestly, I don't think this is a deal breaker for me, judging by its price range. There's also a notification LED underneath the home button, which only has one LED color, which is only white. Now packed inside the Redmi 4X is a Snapdragon 435. 2GB of RAM, or you can bump it all the way up to 3GB. And there's a micro SD card expansion up to 128GB, and the base of the Redmi 4X comes in 60GB, or you can bump it all the way up to 32GB. The loudspeaker grill at the bottom is clean with no distortion and high tone. It's not that bad. The Redmi 4X comes with 30MP sensor with f-stop 2.0. Image quality is okay, photos are sharp and well detailed, noise are well kept low. I would like to see more contrasting photo because as the image it looks a bit flat and dull. Colors are warm on the other side but not super accurate, but it's not unpleasant either. Tell me what you guys think and drop me a comment below. And the front-facing camera comes with 5MP sensor with an f-stop 2.0. I would say the front-facing camera do take a decent photo. The result of the image are pretty reasonably detailed. After all, it's only 5MP, but it's lacking of true contrast. Drop me a comment below and tell me what you guys think.
Hey guys, This is 1080p with 30 frames per second video test. And I'm gonna go close up to see the autofocus. It's quite slow, but then the autofocus works and I didn't tap to focus. It's not that bad. Let's try another one. Ooh, it works pretty well, not that bad. But stabilization wise, I'm not really sure, but hey, for budget variant killer, why not? And this is the front facing test. Actually not that bad. It's pretty sunny out here, but then hey, why not? Drop me a comment below and tell me what you guys think. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Software-wise, the Redmi 4X is running on the latest Android 7.1.2, Android Nougat, and the MIUI 9, which is super fast, super fluid, and it's got quite stable OS. Aside from that, thank you guys very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell button as well. You will get notified every single time I upload. And this is Mark. I'll see you next time.